Hey there, want to send videos without losing quality? Well, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to show you how to share your high-quality videos securely in a few easy steps. The first step is to use a reliable cloud storage service. With tools like Dropbox, you can keep your videos in their original quality when you share them. Let's start by uploading your video to Dropbox. Simply drag and drop your video file into your Dropbox account. Dropbox will take care of the rest and keep your video stored securely without any quality loss. Once your video is uploaded, you can easily share it with anyone. Just click on the video, select Share, and enter the email address of the people you would like to share it with. You can also create a shareable link to send your video through email or messaging apps. To control who can view or download your video, you can adjust the sharing permissions. You can send a view-only link or allow others to edit and comment on the file. If you need to send a very large file, Dropbox Transfer is a great option. It lets you send files up to 100 gigabytes without compressing them. They arrive in their original quality. And that's it. By using Dropbox, you can easily send videos without losing quality. Your recipients will get the same high-quality video you uploaded, no matter where they are. Thanks for watching.